Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you an overview of the eye evaluation 2 form. This video will start on an open clinical case screen. For more information on how to navigate to the clinical case screen, please refer to the clinical case screen overview user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Forms Library drop-down menu and select the Eval 2 form. The eye evaluation 2 form will open. An explanation will be given for each section and available option on the Eval 2 form. Click on the System Selector panel to expand. The System Selector allows the practitioner to choose which panels or sections will or won't appear on the form. For more information regarding the System Selector, please refer to the Eval 2 System Selector user manual linked in this video's description. Various buttons are located on the list of panels for ease of use. For more information regarding these panels, please refer to the Eval 2 panel buttons user manual linked in this video's description. Now we'll go over each of the available panels. The problem list panel can be used to list any signs and symptoms described by the patient during a consultation. For more information regarding the problem list panel, please refer to the Eval 2 problem list user manual linked in this video's description. A record of the patient's family and ophthalmic history can be listed under the History panel. For more information regarding the History panel, please refer to the Eval 2 History user manual linked in this video's description. The Eye Vitals panel gives a set of measurements and observations that are taken during an exam. For a more in-depth explanation of all the fields found within the Eye Vitals section, please refer to the Eval 2 Eye Vitals user manual linked in this video's description. The External Exam panel can be used to display any results from the inspection of the external structures and surrounding tissues. For more information regarding the External Exam panel, please refer to the Eval 2 External Exam panel linked in this video's description. Examinations to the front of the eye can be noted with the Anterior Segment panel. For more information regarding the Anterior Segment panel, please refer to the Eval 2 Anterior Segment user manual linked in this video's description. The Posterior Segment panel is used to note any examinations made to the rear of the eye. For more information regarding the Posterior Segment, please refer to the Eval 2 Posterior Segment user manual linked in this video's description. The Indirect Fundoscopy panel can be used to note any results from using an ophthalmoscope during an examination. For more information regarding the Indirect Fundoscopy panel, please refer to the Eval 2 Indirect Fundoscopy user manual linked in this video's description. The coordination of the eyes can be noted within the Binocularity panel. For more information regarding the Binocularity panel, please refer to the Eval 2 Binocularity user manual linked in this video's description. Any observations made regarding the extraocular muscles can be made within the Extraocular Muscles panel. For more information regarding the Extraocular Muscles panel, please refer to the Eval 2 Extraocular Muscles user manual linked in this video's description. The Orbit panel can be used to specify any indications made regarding the eye socket. For a more in-depth explanation regarding the Orbit panel, please refer to the Eval 2 Orbit user manual linked in this video's description. The Retinoscopy panel can be used to display the refractiveness of the eye from a retinoscopy exam. For more information regarding the Retinoscopy panel, please refer to the Eval 2 Retinoscopy user manual linked in this video's description. Additional comprehensive tests can be made note of on the Special Investigations panel. For additional information regarding the extra tests, please refer to the Eval 2 Special Investigations user manual linked in this video's description. An overall summary of the issues experienced by the patient, all tests performed, the decided treatment plans, as well as a billing overview will be displayed within the Assessment Planning and Billing panel. For more information regarding the summary, please refer to the Eval 2 Assessment Planning and Billing user manual linked in this video's description. If you would like to close the form without saving any changes, click on the Close button. An attention pop-up will appear. Click on the Cancel button if you do not wish to exit the form. Click on the OK button to exit the Eye Evaluation 2 form without saving any changes and return to the diary screen. To save the script and return to the diary screen, click on the Save and Close button. To save the script but remain on the script form, click on the up arrow to access the Save button. Finally, to save all the lines on the script as a billing macro in Billing Settings, click on the Save Lines to New Macro button. For more information regarding billing settings, please refer to the Billing Settings user manual linked in this video's description.